Affiliate marketing can be a really powerful tool for increasing not just the reach, but also the sales of your online courses. And I'd like to take a few minutes to discuss the overall strategy of how to best implement an affiliate system for your online course business. All right, let's dive in. Before we start, do consider subscribing to our channel if you're into affiliate marketing or online marketing in general. In fact, depending on when you're watching this video, we may have already uploaded a full step-by-step tutorial walking you through how to set up Thrive Apprentice and Affiliate WP to create the best affiliate portal for your WordPress courses. If that's the case, the video should be popping up on screen right here, right now. And if that's not the case and you're here early, just make sure you've subscribed to our channel to stay notified on when that goes live. Okay, so the first thing that I would love for us to do is to get a basic understanding of what affiliate marketing is all about. So affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you partner with individuals or even organizations known as affiliates to promote your products or services. Now, what exactly do I mean with performance-based marketing strategy? Well, we say it's performance-based because these individuals or organizations that you may partner with are only going to be compensated for the products that they've sold on your behalf. This means that, usually speaking, you don't have to pay these partners anything upfront, yet they are still going to happily promote your products and services in exchange for a commission for every sale that they generate through their unique affiliate links. And this is great for you because you don't have to spend any money advertising. You also don't have to incur on any upfront costs for marketing your course. You only sacrifice a little bit of revenue, which is absolutely worth it, because if it weren't for those affiliates, that revenue wouldn't even be there in the first place. And so the process looks something along the following lines. You create a course that you think is really valuable, and you want to build up an army of affiliates to help you market your course. The first thing that you're going to do is obviously create your course, and you're going to use something like Thrive Apprentice to do that. And then you're going to use a tool like Affiliate WP if you're building on WordPress to manage your affiliate links and keep track of how your affiliates are doing and performing. And then those affiliates are going to use their own websites, their own social media accounts, and any other means of capturing good traffic that they may have to share their unique referral links to try to bring traffic to your sales page. And for every person that clicks on their referral link and ends up making a purchase from you, they'll make a commission. In a nutshell, this is what affiliate marketing is. And it's a great way for you to promote not just online courses, but pretty much any digital product or service that you may be selling. So what are some things to keep in mind when you're setting out to build your own affiliate program? Well, I can think of at least 3 crucial things. The first thing that you should probably do is define your commission structure. You need to be careful not to make the commission too high where you're only bringing in a small portion of the overall revenue, but you also need to make it appealing enough to attract affiliates, right? So, if your course is selling for $200, anything between 25 to 30% is pretty common and pretty standard, and it makes things, worth everyone's time as well. You also need to have an affiliate portal, and this is a place where affiliates can not only keep track of their performance, sales, clicks, but it's also a great place for them to gather good promo material from you. Because, think about it. Your affiliates need the proper imagery, graphics, perhaps even promo videos or data to be able to promote your courses to the best of their ability. And having a central location where they can just collect all of those resources from you is really important. Again, Affiliate WP takes care of all of this for you pretty well if you're building on WordPress. And last and perhaps most important of them all, you need affiliates, right? You need to have a legitimate plan in place to curate a list of affiliates that are willing to work for you. And the best candidates, believe it or not, are going to come from your existing pool of students. Start with those that have given you great reviews. Start with the ones that have had a phenomenal experience with your course, and offer them the opportunity of reaching out to someone that they may know in exchange for some money. I can't see why they wouldn't do that if they've liked your course. Some of my best online course affiliates have been my own students, and to be honest, they're typically also the ones that genuinely put in a lot of passion and honesty into marketing your course as well. The great thing about setting up an affiliate program for an online course is that there isn't a whole lot of stuff that you need to get done, and you don't have to put in too much time in order to prepare your affiliates for success. Like, as long as you have an affiliate portal where they can keep track of their performance and gather promotional resources from you, And as long as your commission structure is appetizing enough for them to want to put in, a little bit of their time in spreading the word around about your course, you should be good to go. Anyways, this is it for this video. Once again, a reminder to watch our video where we walk you through how to create an affiliate program for Thrive Apprentice using Affiliate WP. That is coming really soon, so make sure you're subscribed for that. I truly appreciate your time. And hey, if you've had some success already using affiliate programs, please tell us down below in the comment section how you've done it, which programs and tools you've used. Yeah, truly appreciate your time. See you soon. Bye.